What if you can ask somebody which of my posts are actually bringing followers? What's driving my engagement right now? And what I should do next to grow faster? And instead of guessing, you get instant personalized answers. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another Beacons video. My name is Ivan and I'm the digital content producer here at Beacons, and today I'm introducing you to Beam, your AI teammate built right into Beacons. Beam isn't just another AI tool. He's a builder, like all beavers, making connection between your content, your data, and real growth opportunities. You can chat with Beam directly inside your Beacons dashboard to get smart, personalized advice on growing your creator business. That means Beam can look at your posts, break down what's actually working, and give you insights you can use immediately to grow faster. Want to know which posts are driving new followers? What's boosting your engagement? Or what you should do to double down on next? Beam tells you instantly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with Beam inside Beacons, all of its functionality and features, and how Beam can help you stop guessing and start growing with real data. If you want AI that empowers creators instead of replacing them, this one's for you. So let's dive in. Home dashboard. So when you log into Beacons, you'll be in the home dashboard. And as you can see on the right-hand side, there is now a chat option. This is Beam. He's here to help you out with anything and everything with your content. Beam is integrated everywhere in Beacons, from your dashboard to your link in bio to brand deals and of course analytics. Something to note is that if you want the best and most optimal use of Beam, then you need to have all your social accounts connected to Beacons so that he can grab all the info from your content. If you haven't done that yet or you want to add more social accounts, just head to settings on the left-hand side. Click socials, then add social account, and add all the accounts you would like Beam to analyze. If you already connected your accounts in the past, no need to do anything else here. Cool. Once your accounts are added and some time has passed for Beam to store and analyze your content, you can now chat with him. Feel free to ask him literally anything, from basic questions to specific asks regarding your content. You can also use any of these suggestions here. Each question costs you 3 credits, and right now you do have a daily limit. But if you happen to use that all up and need some additional, feel free to do any of these options to get some more credits. Discover trends. A brand new AI feature we implemented is called Discover Trends, a tool you can use to task about trends across niches, and Beam will pull up what's trending per platform, plus the top performing posts. Simply type anything in the text box below or use any of these suggestions and Beam will curate a list of videos and trends in that niche. Find a video that's useful and you want to save it for later? Click the save button at the bottom of each video and find all your saves at the top of the screen right here. We also implemented a new My Content tab. Here, Beam will list your top posts this week, and you can search up your past posts so you can find the right video to send in a pitch, reply to a DM automation, or reuse for new campaigns. Link in bio. One of the most revolutionary things Beam can do is design your link in bio. You can choose from any of these options here, or give Beam any prompt you can think of, and he will generate a couple options for you to choose from. Want to generate a whole page or maybe even specific sections of it? Click the toggle here and choose from any of these options. I'm going to type something like, make me a page that looks like a cosmic explosion. Give it a couple seconds to generate, and here it has generated a couple of insane link in bio pages that you simply just cannot customize on your own. Don't like any of these options? Simply back out of it and your page has been untouched. Brands. Thought the magic ended there? Beam can actually help you get brand deals. In the brand deal section, click brands in the drop-down menu, and here you can get AI curated brands based off of your content. It doesn't stop there though. With your favorite brands, you can have Beam search your content and highlight posts as suitable to pitch for this brand, give you insight on how you can collab with them, and get help drafting a pitch message. You can do everything literally in one tap. This section is still a work in progress, so more updates are coming soon. And this will be a brand deal powerhouse. Analytics. Now here's where Beam truly shines. When you connect your account to Beacons, we analyze your content and provide you with expert level stats. Now with Beam, he can go one step further and help you out with these added buttons like, what changed this week? What platform drives the most engagement? But let's say you want something more advanced or specific. With the Beam chat box, you can ask him absolutely anything. Like, what content should I do next? What do my viewers want? What post in the past month has performed the best? Beam can help you answer all of this. Now, I bet you're asking, what is the difference between Beam and just asking any old AI chatbot? Well, what the advantage of Beam is that he has direct access to all of your data. He can give you accurate and personalized answers based off of all your content. Also, no need to switch between tabs with different content tools. Of course, Beam extends to your link and bio analytics, where he can help you with questions like, what's my top platform? Tell me about my audience. What's my biggest win from last week? And so much more. And lastly, down to your digital products, where Beam can help you break down your product sales, spot what's performing best, and help plan the next big drop. Awesome, and that is a quick look on how Beam works inside Beacons. From chatting with him on your home dashboard, to discovering trends, breaking down your top content, designing your link and bio, finding brand deal opportunities, and unlocking deeper insights through analytics. Beam is there to help you connect the dots between your content, your data, and real growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you got questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Beacons tutorials, updates, and tips. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all soon.